So this is the crazy fun, if I can get it up higher, I deal with. Crazy mama cat. Crazy mama cat has moved 4 baby kittens onto the roof. I heard a thump, 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 and got a text message. Well, mama cat just moved kittens. So I put that carrier up there in case it rains, that they can go in there. It does no good to move them because she'll just haul them back up there again, and everybody's nursing. You can't see anyone but the black and white one. There's 3 solid black ones down below her nursing, because we're supposed to have rain through Tuesday, and the skies are clouding up, and the wind's picking up, and the rain's been coming in at night. Day too, but mostly overnight. Well, that's it for now. What doing? Oh, hello, Dixie. Y'all enjoying this breeze? The calm before the storm. Yeah, we got wind picking up, clouds rolling in, getting some pink action going on, if it'll show. Cotton candy skies, that's what I always call them. But we are supposed to have rain showing every day this week, but not hearing any rumble yet. But wind's definitely, breeze has picked up, because it has been just still. It was still and hot today. But anyway, just was out here checking out the cats, and these guys were playing, so I just caught them and saw a little bit of this cotton candy sky going on. Okay, that's it for tonight.